Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Now I am with you Muhammad Mamoon, and this is a JBL Xtreme 2 speaker. Before this speaker I show you, this speaker have no power. So how can you fix this speaker? Today I tell you, and which charger can use on this speaker Xtreme 2. This speaker you can use the 19-volt charger is jack for Toshiba laptop. So let's check it out how to work this JBL speaker. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a speaker JBL. This is the original JBL speaker and the Xtreme 2. And this speaker have no power. I press the power one, it do not work. So guys, the customer bring this speaker said not working. So at first I tell you guys, this speaker charger voltage is 19 volt and 3 ampere. So you need a charger for this JBL Xtreme 2, and the JBL big size speaker is like that charging port. Okay, this need a 19 volt charger. Okay, so you can use the Toshiba or Asus laptop charger. There is 19 volt charger, so I using now is Toshiba laptop charger. For this I check first before open is charging working. You can see is low battery, so now it's charging on. And this problem for the charger, so customer I don't know, maybe he don't know the problem. So now I'm checking and the system is open. So all the JBL the big size is problem, maybe is charger. Many people come to me, they are said is problem, no power, not working. But when I plug the charger is 19 volt, is working perfectly. Someone use the 12 volt, 9 volt, maybe 15 volt charger. That's why the speaker do not charge or do not power on. So now I will connect the Bluetooth and check. Okay, JBL Xtreme 2, this model JBL Xtreme 2 now is charging, also the connecting the Bluetooth. And now I will check the sound quality. So here I am using, but this battery is very low, so I have to charge for 5 minutes and then I check again. So guys, you hear the voice, this working. So guys,